Je profite saluer tout mon assistance là.
I use this occasion to say hi to everybody.
Et monde qui pas dans assistance là tout.
And everybody who is looking at us through the camera.
Initiative MIT-Ayiti a gen pile importance.
The MIT-Haiti Initiative has a lot of importance
Parce qu'elle répond à un besoin.
because it's a reply to a cry that the Haitian people have had for a long time.
Besoin ça c'est que dans pays nous en Haïti, pi forti moun parle créole et a enseigné yo dans une langue qui c'est français langue yo pas parler.
And that cry is the fact that the kids in Haiti, their mother tongue is Haitian Creole, but they are being taught in a language that is French, that is not theirs.
Ça explique en pile échec dans éducation en Haïti.
So that explains a lot of failure in the Haitian education.
Donc avec initiative MIT-Ayiti a,
So with the MIT-Haiti Initiative,
n'a cherché redresser situation ça
we are going to address that problem
parce que recherche yo montré
because through research we saw that
lorsque gen bon gens éducation qui chita sous trois rôles différents c'est de grave te parler yo.
when we have an education system that is based on the 4 pillars that we just discussed a while ago with VJ and Professor de Graaf,
Apprentissage actif
active learning
qui marie avec technologie et langue maternelle,
mixed with technology and mother tongue,
ça permet ti moun yo apprendre plus vite
that allows the student to, this system allows the student to learn faster
et yo capable vinn des acteurs qui changer réalité yo.
so that they become actors in changing their future, their own future.
Donc dans ce sens ça nous pense initiative là son mouvement que MIT-Ayiti voye en l'air.
So in that sense, we really thank the MIT people for this initiative
Et autorité en Haïti yo a l'autre monde qui concerné doit prendre la main pour que la pi devant.
and hope that the Haitian government and other people will help us, support us and help us so that it can go forward.
Merci.
Thank you very much.